Okay, here's what came in the mail today from Universal Orlando. Big, huge box for its new Epic Universe theme park. So let's unbox this and take a look at what we have. First of all, I think we have to fiddle here with the little pull here. Aha! With sun and moon, the stars and time, the chronos spins and worlds align. For if you seek the curious heart, your compass true and stars to chart, beyond this gate and gardens find gardens green and epic worlds to fill your dreams. So this is a reference to the new land that they just announced today, Celestial Park, which is kind of the hub, if you will, of this land, except it's not a hub and spoke design park. It is just, this is a central area through which you will be leaving into the 4 portals into the 4 different lands of the park. That's Super Nintendo World, that's Wizarding World of Harry Potter, the Ministry of Magic, that's How to Train Your Dragon, Isle of Berk, and Dark Universe, which is themed to Universal Classic Monsters. So, what does it say on the back? Oh, on the back. Welcome to the beginning of that, all that is to come. Your journey to Epic begins now. Inside is your exclusive collector's edition of the Chronos. While it may appear to the untrained eye as a tower marking the entrance to the world's most anticipated new theme park, so yeah, it's a tower at the entrance to the theme park, it is actually, here's the backstory, a portal to the breathtaking new worlds of Universal Epic Universe. Your personal Chronos contains a medallion marking your first destination, Celestial Park, that's the new land announced today. An imaginative world of lush living gardens nestled among shimmering waters. Here, stunning architecture inspired by astronomical and mythological elements surround an array of sumptuous tastes and thrills to the senses. So this is very kind of early 20th century George Méliès, Victoria steampunk, that kind of, like I said, 1900s aesthetic to this. And they're promising that they're going to send more stuff, so we'll have more unboxing videos for you in the future. But for right now, let's oh wow, and here we go. This is our little miniature, actually not so little, this is our huge miniature model of the Chronos, the tower through which people will be entering Epic Universe. See, that's the little front gate right in there. Just imagine your little tiny self. Yeah, it's a theme park for ants, okay? Just had to drop the reference. But anyway, so thank you to Universal for this. We'll figure out what to do with this later. But for now, that's today's news from Universal Orlando on the Epic Universe theme park.